Everybody, this is Average Fisherman. This is Sinker Making 101. Today we're going to be making some bank sinker molds using the Do It. Makes 2, 3, 4, and 5 ounce. We also got the new Lee lead melter. Makes sinker making a whole lot easier. Alright, first thing you want to do, take your little Pam, spray it. Makes the sinkers release a little easier. Put your gloves on. Get your lead good and hot. I use a propane torch, kind of speed up the process. Really speeds it up. One thing I like to do with my molds when I first use them, open them up, take my torch, and heat up the places I'm going to be using. This will help keep them from sticking and make sure they all come out good your first couple. Alright, you want to make sure you're doing this in a well ventilated area. Now that your lid's good and melted, take your mold, stick it underneath the hole. There's a little spigot on here. Simply raise up the handle.
And drops the lid.
These are 5 ounce we're making, so it takes a while. See lead start to fill up. Let go of the handle. Go on to your next one. This is a 4 ounce. See it start to run out, let go. Way less mess like this than the old way. Well worth the money. Simply open your mouth, pop it down there. Take and clip off the spare excess lid. Clip off the excess lid. Be careful dropping that back in your pot so it don't splash. You're ready to pour some more. Let it dry for a second. There you go. Alright, there you go. Bank sinkers with Average Fisherman. Couldn't afford to fish if we didn't make our own.